Starting a career in the Python programming language might be a bit challenging, but don't worry, I'm gonna share 3 beginner-level projects which will help you get out of your comfort zone and enhance your understanding regarding Python language. I also included some outstanding tutorials for those projects in description, so make sure you check them out, and without any further ado, let's get started. First project on our list is alarm clock. The basic alarm clock might serve as a good starting point for Python developers. This alarm clock code consists of very useful libraries such as Datetime and TKinter, which helps us to build project using the current date and time. Apart from this, they also provide a user interface to set alarm according to the requirement in 24-hour format. Moving ahead, second project on our list is password generator. Making password generator can be fun, and it'll also help you brush up your skills in a great manner. In order to create a password generator in Python, one needs to be familiar with libraries like TKinter, Pyperclip, random and string. Moving ahead, third project on our list is typing test. Python programmers can create a typing test as a simple and one-of-a-kind software. This will involve designing a graphical user interface, measuring typing speed, and generating random words. This Python project demands a basic understanding of Python programming and the Pygame library. Hope you all got to learn something new through this video. If you did, then make sure you smash the like button, and also hit the subscribe button for more such crazy content. I'll see you in the another one. Until then, stay tuned.